Hey everyone, James here with Bruno, here to talk about V3, our biggest release yet. Let's talk about a couple key updates, such as better organization of workspaces, a more powerful Git experience built right into the product, a cleaner, more modern UI that scales as your collections grow, and several other quality of life improvements. Now the first thing you'll notice when you launch Bruno is an updated UI with refreshed icons, collapsing specific sections to save some real estate, while still remaining information dense, updates to different modals and toggles, even an update to your environment pane, now existing as its own separate tab for easier viewability, as well as switching and making modifications between your different environments. You'll also notice that we added a couple of different theme options for both light and dark mode. Then you really customize that Bruno experience. Now, one of the biggest requests we've had has definitely been the concept of workspaces. With V3, workspaces are now available, are going to let you group together your collections, whether it be by projects or teams or environments, instead of things living in a singular flat list. Each collection is Git backed, so whether you're just trying to organize for your own workflows or when you're working with multiple different team members, you have flexibility. Collaborate, share, and version the way developers expect, now with a much better structure. Workspaces also now take global environments and include them as files that can be backed up to your Git repos. So you can now share these globals at the workspace level and make it really easy for teams to have the variables, keys, credentials, tokens that they need for their workflows. You'll also notice that you now have the option with collections to use both our brew format as well as YAML format files. This is using our new open collection standard. It's currently in beta, so please try it out during this discussion and give us your feedback. This is meant to be even more readable, still following the structure of your requests, your folders, etc., as well as contain that metadata that really allows these workspaces to operate correctly. And if you want to leverage different tools and linters against them, it's also going to support that flexibility. You'll also notice some new Git superpowers are actually available as part of your collections. You'll see a revamped Git UI, allowing you to quickly create and switch between different branches. You'll also notice now the option to actually stash your changes. So if you're working on a branch and you make modifications, but you're not exactly sure you want it to live, create these stashes. Stash in specific files and apply them whenever you're ready. We're also going to help you support different merge conflict scenarios. So say we have conflicts between our local branch and our origin. When those merge conflicts occur, we can actually resolve those right in Bruno. So looking at our current changes, our incoming changes, and selecting whichever one makes the most sense. To let us move forward that scenario. You'll also see now in our DevTools, we actually have a terminal option. So instead of having to have an external terminal open, you can now run your CLI commands, your Git commands, all right here natively in our app. And you also have the option now to open any folder, request, or structure right here in our terminal option. So that applies to multiple different levels of Bruno. So give it a try and let us know your thoughts. We've added additional capabilities available to our free tier as well, from file mode, the API import view for OpenAPI, importing repos, and so much more. The goal here is simple. Bruno should be powerful out of the box without surprises. Made for developers by developers, and we hope you enjoy V3 as much as we enjoyed building it. Thanks so much, and look forward to hearing from y'all.